Hi guys! Today I'm in the mood for some bling. I got a lot of metallic colors lined up here and some Van Dyke brown. I got the bronze, gold, copper and silver. And I put in the silver and in the copper a little bit of flow-through just to make it more smooth. And of course white. Okay guys, and this is a 30 by 30 canvas. It's maybe a bit big for some experimenting, but when you go bling, you go big. You start with a base of white. I always just pour a square and then blow it out. It's easier like this than to tilt or to swipe it, just with the blow dryer. And Alex is telling me I need to keep the canvas straight. Okay, thank you. Okay, just torch the bubbles out of the white. We start with bronze. Some Van Dyke brown. We need to find some contrast in this. Gold, I think. I'm gonna pour some silver, and the silver is with some flow-through. And then I think we're gonna do the copper on top. I really don't know what's gonna happen here, guys, but we're just trying. I don't think I like the silver in this, because it's so cool. And the other colors are so warm, but you must try once. So what happened here is that the copper, I think this is the copper, sort of turned out rose gold. That's very elegant. I'm very happy I used Van Dyke brown because it's given so much more contrast here. So yeah, this is very cool. Yeah, I'm really liking this so far. What a good experiment.